Hope you've been singing in that almost a month of us not meeting. People are still arriving, so forgive me admitting people and being all kind of between two things. Upright. Let's check our postures. Let's make sure that our faces are relaxed. Our shoulders, let's lift them, keeping our face relaxed, not really moving, and drop them and relax the shoulders. Have a sense of opening here. And let's breathe in through the nose towards the lower rib cage and breathe out with an R any pitch, just feeling how our voice is today. Breathe in. Nice, good. Really relaxing the face. By the way, if you don't want to be on the video, it's pretty much on speaker view for me now, on me, but I will sometimes switch you on. So if you don't want to be on YouTube, switch your camera off, okay? Okay, one more time, breathe in, shoulders relaxed. Back of the neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. We'll do a couple more of these. Yeah, like a push tool. What should be working is just that, your diaphragm and your belly, but not the shoulders, yeah? Works for you? Let's do it again, breathe in. As many as you can. Okay, a couple of things for the face. So we will sing a note. Let's make it this C. And as we're singing it, as if we're chewing a gum, we're warming up our face at the same time, keeping our sound absolutely solid, ideally not wobbly, the tone, right? So we'll do this as if we're chewing gum, right? Beautiful. You'll be looking at me, I won't be looking at you. Let's go. Okay, and one last thing for our warm-up is we will sing, let's say this note should be okay for all of us, and make sure that your note is stable as you're moving physically all over the place, as much as you want, as much as is comfortable, and possibly stretching yourself even a bit, yeah? So let's go, the sound should be solid and you going all over the place. Let's go. And again. How is that? Yeah, good. So today's songs are very simple. We don't really need to warm up our range up and down too much today. I'm a little teapot. Is that there's a thing there, I don't know. The songs today are very simple in their melodies, and you know why? Because they are old, ancient songs. Even the second one, Oh Pancakes, Pancakes, that which some of you know, the roots of this song, it's been modified, but they're quite old. When you see a melody that has 3 or 4 notes in it, it means that it's pre-major, pre-minor. It's one of these old, ancient modal songs where you have just 3 notes and not exactly even major. They're sometimes in between the tones. So the first one is that, and it's dedicated to Maslenitsa. How many of you know about Maslenitsa, the Russian special celebration of the spring equinox? Yeah, quite a few, but not everyone. It's an amazing ritual, and our choirs, we usually celebrate with pancakes and all sorts of things. It's an amazing, interesting week of celebrations, and each day of that celebration, of that holiday, has its meaning, has its kind of pace, its traditions, and today is the official start of spring, right? The Thursday. And it's both Christian and pagan, and there are lots of pagan elements to that holiday celebration. And the pancakes, the simplest one, the pancakes symbolize the sun. And the yellow honey that goes on the pancakes also, it's sunny, it's springy. And that's one of the little things that I'll just tell you about Maslenitsa today. And the little picture of me with a straw doll on Facebook today is about that final day of this Maslenitsa, the figure, the main heroine of that ritual, is when they keep this figure that made a doll with plaits and decorated and beautiful dress in the village square and the town square for the whole week, and at the end of the week they burn it. Yeah. So it's like a celebration, fire and all that, all these amazing pagan things here happening. Okay, so there will be a horavod, a circle dance around it. Again, pancake, circle, round, going round, symbolic, right? Life goes round and round. And here comes our song. Oh, Margarita, hi! Good to see you.
Здравствуйте.
Здрасте. I'm going to mute you, I'm sorry, because we're going to start singing in a minute. Here comes the song. I'm showing you just the music, and we will listen to a little bit of it in a minute. I hope you heard the three different audio files that I put on Facebook earlier, or on my website earlier. Now you'll see the tune. It's really three notes. Da, 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 da. Let's go a bit lower. Let's go here. Da, da, da. Oh, sorry, minor. It does exist in major. Let's go together. One more time. I'm going to sing the top melody. You can see it splits into parts here. As often in Russian folk songs, there'll be one person starting the whole song and the whole chorus, the whole group supporting from the second line. Next bit, higher line. You'll have this sometimes at the end, okay? Second line, let's go. La, la, la. In the alto line there. See it here on the lower line? Oh, you're calling to nature, you're shouting into the field, you're welcoming spring, okay? Oh, let's sing the whole of the main tune from the beginning. Okay, should be easy. Let's go. And la, la, la. Simple, three notes, but it'll be very meditative when we sing it 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 times. Lower line, the lower line goes like this. So the first line is the same. You see the split in the second line here, yeah. So we're going from the same note as the first line was in the main melody. La 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 la. Sometimes there is a split here going down, da 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 da. Experiment with this, whichever line you want to do. I'm going to sing the low line one more time. Go with me and la 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 la. Okay. Let's bring the whole thing together. I'll be singing some of it, playing some of it. Okay? Ta. Let's go. Oh, sorry, this one. 3 and 4 and la 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 la. that for you? Yeah? Simple and fun. Now we're going to look at our text straight away, and as we are going through text, I'll be playing a bit. You ideally just learn the tune. Really, there's nothing to learn. And then we will sing with a folk group. One of the recordings has almost the same text as we have, so you'll hear a bit of part singing. Here comes our text. Мы думали, right? See that? I will be reading it line by line in the rhythm of our song. Let's go. Мы думали Масленке 7 недель. Together. Мы думали Масленке 7 недель. Мы is we, думали, thought. Масленки is another variation of Maslenitsa. Maslenitsa is both the celebration and also is the doll which you burn at the end. But in this case, it's the ritual, the celebration. 7 is 7, недель weeks. Okay. Next line. Осталося Масленке 1 день. Again. Осталося Масленке 1 день.
Масленке.
Рит, я вас слышу, я вас выключаю, ладно? Звук. Звук, yes. Осталось, remain, stay, Масленница. 1 is 1 day, день. So we thought there would be 7 weeks, but it's only 1 day. It went really quickly. See if we can just sing it with the music together. It's in the music here, underneath the notes. Мы and go. Мы думали Масленке 7 недель. Осталося Масленке 1 день. How was that? Good? Next bit. Let's read the next verse. Look this, обманула. See that? Let's go. And обманула маслина правила. Again. Обманула маслина правила. Обманула, she cheated. Провела. Cheated, обманула is... Обманула and провела is the same word, cheated. Next bit. Сама поехала в край села. Together. Сама поехала в край села. And herself, she went to the edge of the village. Yes, they would take that doll and carry it with songs and with all sorts of other things, shouting, and then burn it at the by the edge of the village. We will just do the next verse and then sing the whole thing. По делам. Let's see if you can sing, otherwise just speak. По делам же маслина, по делам. One more time. По делам же маслина, по делам. По делам serves you right, маслина, right? poor doll. Next line. Погорела маслина под селом. Погорела again. Погорела маслина под селом. It got burnt on the edge of the village. Right? That's it. We won't sing the next one. You went, you left, and you rolled away, and it's already now Easter. You see, there's that connection between Christianity and paganism. Do read about it. There's lots of stuff online about it. It's amazing. So we're going to sing the whole thing now, first with me, and then with a file of some other women singing it as an ensemble. Don't forget the woos at the end. All right. Share screen again. All right, Meduma, let's go. Meduma maslinke 7 недель осталося масленке 1 день. Обманула маслина правила, а сама поехала в край села. По делам же маслина, по делам погорела маслина под селом. Okay, how is that? Yeah, are you doing the woos? Right? So if it's in between your ranges, your registers, it's good to sing that in a lower register and then go, oh, so you kind of switching between, oh, oh, oh. That's what yodelers do. You use that head timbre at the end. Woo! It goes further. Woo! Like that, right? Now we'll sing it with this other file I promised to share with you. Let me see. I think it's slightly faster there, but it's good to experience. You can just go ooh at the end. Share screen, share sound, and Maslenitsa. Right, I have 2 files, and let's see which one this is. Oh, it's a different one. Yeah, this one. Share. Sorry. Here it is. It's very fast, isn't it? Could you hear it just now? Very fast. Do you think we can cope? Let's try. Do la la la's if you can't. Okay, let's go. Fun, right? There are slower recordings of this, of course. Now, I want to play you something just for the style, another Maslenitsa song, and then we will sing the pancake song, which is easy and much more easy on our ear, a major song. Listen to this one. It's a different tune of a different ritual Maslenitsa song, also one of these most sung even now. Maslenitsa is really well celebrated in Russia now. Very kind of people love it because it's fun and it's tasty food and stuff. Now, listen to this different song, just for the style.
Ой, Масленитса, кривошейка, ой, кривошейка, кривошейка, кривошейка. Дожидали мы тебя же хорошенько, ой, хорошенько, хорошенько, хорошенько.
you see what happens, and you see that they're not very bothered with making harmonies beautiful. It's more about the spacing and repetition and carrying the doll and walking with it and calling into the field. Okay, we might have time to sing the first one at the end of today's session. We're moving into the next song. How many of you know the pancake song? Let's sing it with me. Yeah.
Paulina?
Right. So
Polina?
the tune is really simple. I won't show you the music to start with. All right, here is how it goes. One more time. Die, 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 die. 6 notes. Die, go with me from the beginning. Die, 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 and repeat. Die, 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 die. Together. I da die 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 I die I da da die 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 I die 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 I die die da da die I die 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 die. You know it, right? You know it. Very easy. Let me see you singing it with me. I won't hear you, but let me see your faces and you opening your mouth and singing. Okay, let's go. And together. I die 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 I die I die I die 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 I die I die 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 I die 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 I die 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 I die die. One more time. I da die da die die I die I da die da I die 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 I die 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 I die 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 die. And it's about pancakes, a very fun story, and I'm sure that the text has been modified a few times because we sang it in schools. My sister makes the best pancakes. They just go in 1 minute. Everyone just eats them, and everyone loves them. And there are nice harmonies, easy harmonies you can make. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Right? Or ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки. All sorts of harmonies. You can just have fun with it. Right? Let's see. So, blины, blины, you all know in Russian, right? So, it'll be easy. Мы давно, watch me, hear me, and let's do text, a few verses, not maybe all of them, let's see. First verse, in that rhythm. Мы давно блинов не ели. Together. Мы давно блинов не ели. We haven't eaten pancakes for a long time. Now the translation on the right is a singable translation. That is nothing to do, I mean it does, but it's not exactly the same text, yeah? Мы давно, we, for a long time, блинов, pancakes не ели, didn't eat. We haven't eaten pancakes for a long time. Next line, listen. Мы блиночков захотели. Together. Мы блиночков захотели. I'm sorry. Merlin, there's a delivery. Can you open, please? Okay, somebody knocked on the door. Мы блиночков захотели. We wanted pancakes. Блины, блиночки. You know that in Russian we have these suffixes that make it, more affectionate, this particular word. Блиночки, my lovely little ones. And then we have chorus. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. I think we're ready to sing the first verse. I don't know if you want this. You know it, right? You know it now. I think you know it. Just look at text notes. Мы, you can go like this. Мы давно. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and мы давно блинов не ели, мы блиночков захотели. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. How is that? I want to see you singing "Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои" without looking at anything, okay? Ой, блины. Let's say it together. Come on. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои, okay? Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Вы is you, блиночки, my lovely little pancakes, мои, mine. Alright? Ой, okay. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Have a higher line if you want to go. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Right? Good. Next verse. It's fun, this one. Next verse. Right. So, Katkino. Look at the second one. Yeah, there's a number 2 here. Watch me and listen to me. Кадкино вы растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. The whole thing. Let's go again. Кадкино вы растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. Hope it's okay. Katki is these special vessels in which you make like a big bowl. Новый is new. Растворили, literally it's kind of dissolved, but you kind of made a new mixture, a new dough, new mixture. 2 is 2, часа, hours. Блины is pancakes. Ходили, ходили is to walk about, to walk around. But in this case, ходить, they're expanding with yeast. So we can assume from this song that the pancakes were yeasty because the pancakes I make, they don't have any yeast. This one these are yeasty pancakes. They're thicker, right? Thicker, and the dough will be thicker than that simple pouring dough that I would use, for example. Right, let's sing this one. Ka, 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 and катки новые растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. Chorus. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. How many of you are singing harmonies, not just the main tune? Yeah, do have fun. It's great. It's good. It's very easy here. Okay, let's do a couple more verses because we have time. The next one. Раз, два. See that? 3. Растворили на дрожжах. Right? So ideally the ж here needs to be double. Дрожжах actually. Дрожжах. Stretch it. Yeah, let's go again. Растворили на дрожжах. Next. Не удержишь на вожжах. Не удержишь на вожжах. So растворили you already know, you kind of mixed на дрожжах with yeast. Не удержишь, you can't hold it back на вожжах by a... It's something that you keep, it's a horse, you keep a horse with them. I don't quite know the word. You hold back a horse, it goes through the horse's face.
Rein.
Huh?
Rein. It's a rein.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah.
No, the one that goes through the mouth is the bit.
It's a bit.
Yeah? Okay. Well, I don't know, the bit. Yeah, okay. You get the picture. Basically, they're rising fast. Let's sing this verse. Раз, два, раз, 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 1, 2, 3. Растворили на дрожжах, не удержишь на вожжах. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Okay, let's sing these 4 verses for now and have fun. From the beginning. Ой, sorry, here. Мы давно блинов не ели, мы блиночков захотели. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Катки новые растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, блины, мои, вы блиночки мои. Растворили на дрожжах, не удержишь на вожжах. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Let's look at the next one, because it goes somewhere else now. It's the sister. Моя, see number 4? Моя старшая сестрица печь блины-то мастерица. One more time. Моя старшая сестрица печь блины-то мастерица. My elder sister to bake, печь, блины, pancakes. Мастерица, she is a master of making pancakes, okay? Let's sing this one. And моя старшая сестрица печь блины-то мастерица. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Now we have the next 2 verses, which we won't sing for the sake of time. Напекла она поесть 5 сотен, наверное, 6. She made, we say baked, right? She made 500 or 600 pancakes. And she puts them на поднос, блины кладет и сама к столу несет. She puts them on a tray and takes them to the table. But we'll skip that, we will look at the last one. And actually there are many more verses to this one. I shortened it already for my choir. So the last one is nice. Гости, see that, number 7, listen. Гости, будьте, we can say все, but in the English it says вы. Let's go to вы. Гости, будьте вы здоровы. Guests, be healthy, okay? Again. Гости, будьте вы здоровы. Вот блины мои готовы. Here are my pancakes, they're ready. Вот блины мои готовы. Okay, so let's quickly sing that verse. I'm trying to fix the text here quickly. My mistake, because there are usually mistakes when I do this. Вы. Okay, here we have вы instead of все. I'll put it here on top, okay, for now. Sing that verse. Go and гости, будьте вы здоровы, вот блины мои готовы. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 suggest we sing the whole thing now, all the way to the end. Yeah, verse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 4 and 7. How about that? Before we start, let's see if we can do blini 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 by heart again. I can see, and I see you sitting upright and really singing out. We're getting into this regular singing now, right? Once a week or twice a week, and you're hopefully singing. I know some of you are singing in other groups, so get it all out properly, yeah, with your voice. Okay, let's go. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. First verse. Мы давно блинов не ели, мы блиночков захотели. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 ой, блиночки мои. Ой, катки новые растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. Ой, блины, 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 ой, блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 ой, блиночки мои. Да растворили на дрожжах, не удержишь на вожжах. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Моя старшая сестрица печь блины там мастерица. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Number 7. Гости, будьте вы здоровы, вот блины мои готовы. Ой, блины, 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 ой, блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 ой, блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, вы блиночки мои. How is that? Fun. Now we have 5 minutes more, so we'll finish singing it one more time. I need to do a couple of announcements. Tomorrow there is an event about which we told you some time ago, and Phil, who is not here today, Phil from the Russian choir, put together an audio file of a Russian song, Ой, то не вечер. A lot of you took part in this. Tomorrow will be a free event on Zoom only, not on Facebook, dedicated to that song, to that arrangement being put together. Some people will say a few words about how they felt about participating in this recording. Phil will be leading it, I will be co-leading it, and a few people will sing little short kind of verses of some other songs, and I will teach people the 2 tunes of that song. Come join us. It's 6 o'clock UK time, and it's on my page today, and will stay tomorrow on Sing With Me page underneath the main information. So join that. Another very important thing is next week is time change in America, and I don't know where else. They're changing. Americans are changing to
Canada too.
Canada too. Yeah. So that part of the world, we are not changing next week. We're catching up a week later.
2 weeks later, apparently.
Are you sure? Oh my God.
I'm not sure, but I just did a little poll while we were singing, and everybody seems to agree on March 28th, but I don't know for sure.
Right, I'll
Yes,
check
yes,
that
it's-
as well, and I'll put
March the
something on Sing With Me. Be careful, but people are in so many countries here. You need to check your particular time for that particular date, please. Okay, there'll be some confusion. Please check. Okay, it's always British time. British time 6:30, and whatever happens in your country, make sure you know. Okay. Right, and that, I guess that's it. So, ready to sing it? Let's do it. And I thought I'd play you, but I won't play now an audio file. It is on my website on that page. There is a different pancake song there, but I put it there because it's very, very folk sounding. It's even simpler than the one we are singing now. And by listening to that song, you can imagine this song, which may sound quite modern. You can imagine this one being sung in a horovod, in a circle dance, much earlier, 100 years ago, earlier, 150. It can be sung differently, but now I do it with piano and all that. Okay, share screen. Let's do it again. And happy spring equinox, whatever that is. When is that? Nowhere near, is it? Spring coming, anyway. Here we go. First verse. Мы давно блинов не ели, мы блиночков захотели. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Катки новые растворили, 2 часа блины ходили. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Растворили на дрожжах, не удержишь на вожжах. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Моя старшая сестрица печь блины там мастерица. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Verse 7. Гости, будьте вы здоровы, вот блины мои готовы. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, 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 вы блиночки мои. Ой, блины, блины, long note, блины. Вы блиночки мои. All right, that was fun. So this is my GNT. I hardly started it. Hope to see you on Monday for the Yiddish session or next Thursday for the Russian session. And keep well and keep singing. Thank you.
Thank
very much.
you.
Good to
Thank
see
you
you.
very much.
Great to see
Bye-bye.
you. Bye. Bye.